The wonders and mysteries of the macaw parrot. Macaws form lifelong bonds, a testament to their emotional depth. These pairs often reflect true partnership and mutual respect. Surprisingly, macaws can mimic human speech. They have impressive vocal abilities and can learn to mimic a wide range of sounds, including words and phrases. Macaws exhibit remarkable memory capabilities, enabling them to grasp and retain complex tasks with ease. Their cognitive abilities are so advanced that they seem to develop a unique form of communication akin to their own language. Macaws are highly intelligent birds with complex social behaviors, making them fascinating companions.